And now, we'll be reciting the most sacred mantra in Jainism called Shrinaukar Mantra, in which we will bow down and offer our respect to Panch Parmesti, our five supreme beings, Arihanta, who have achieved infinite knowledge and bliss by destroying all Ghadi karmas and showed us the path that brings an end to the cycle of birth and death. Siddh, liberated souls, Acharya, head of Jain Sangh, Upadhyay, who have mastered and preached Jain scriptures and Jain principles to the followers, and all sadhus and sadhvis or monks who have renounced the worldly attachment and follow the great vow of conduct for self-purification. Please join us to recite Sri Namaskar Mahamantra in Rag Mishra Mand.
Om Namo Namo
Namo Namo Namo
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 Om
Namo Arihantanam Om Namo Sitaram Om Namo Ayariyanam Om Namo Vajayanam Om Namo Loe Savasahunam Om Namo Loe Savasahunam Om Namo Arihantanam Om Namo Siddhanam Om Namo Ayariyanam Om Namo Vajayanam Om Namo Loe Savasahunam Om Namo Loe Savasahunam ऐसो पंचनमुकारो सर्व पावपणासनो ऐसो पंचनमुकारो सर्व पावपणासनो Mangalanam cha savesim Paramam havai mangalam Paramam havai mangalam Paramam havai mangalam
नमो